The freshness and purity of corn is clearly shown through its color and shape. Each grain of corn radiates bright yellow light, creating a beautiful natural picture in the field. With its natural and fresh beauty, golden corn gives us a feeling of satisfaction and comfort. Removing fruit peels makes you tired and lose productivity. The KEA 700A fruit peeler will be a savior for any kitchen that needs an effective and convenient solution in food preparation. We hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into the world of industrial food machinery. Leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. Keep an eye out for our next installment, coming soon. Finally, achieving the highest quality batch of glass cups requires the visual inspection of highly skilled workers. Each PET plastic bottle takes hundreds of years to decompose naturally, so a Japanese factory collected them to recycle into a series of transparent plastic boxes. Converting tens of thousands of tons of PET plastic bottles into transparent plastic boxes is an innovative way to reduce plastic waste and create a sustainable solution for the environment. The first step in the process of creating gold bars is to refine gold to improve impurities and obtain high-purity gold. Skied there. After making 6 hits in a row, he could still stand. This man has mastered his own work. Moonwalking is not that simple, but this girl did it even underwater. He can lift anything, including you. Woo, that's been burning rubble. Yeah. Woo. I have found Maverick's new opponent. He quit. He even left the car behind. While you're struggling to draw a line with the ruler, he just needs his crazy steady hand. Even with his eyes blindfolded, he excelled in this challenge. Jason threw the axe in the right place 3 times in a row, making these girls go crazy. His incredible flexibility made me think he's a noodle.